Hey there. So, as we can see on the screen, in this video, we are going to learn about flame sensor. Now we will be understanding this flame sensor in a very easy and simple way. So, first, what is flame sensor? So, flame sensor is a device used to detect fire or flame. It works by sensing infrared light that comes from fire. So, in simple words, you can say that it tells your project, hey, there is a fire. So, this is how this will be working. So, now let's start with the components on this which we have. So, this is like IR sensor and the light sensor, all the things. So, this is similar to that, but this will be sensing the flame. So, now there is one black colored bulb here. So what is this black bulb in the front? So this is the sensor. This is where it detects the light from flames. So this sensor will sense that light from the flame, and this will tell your chip, which is in here. That is the small black one here. This is the brain of this sensor. So after detecting the flame here, this will send the data to the brain, and this brain will send the same data to the output device or the Arduino. And the Arduino will give you that output in the serial monitor or to the any output device. So now we understood about this black color bulb here and the main component, which is the brain. So what is this blue color knob kind of thing here? So this is actually a potentiometer. So as the other sensors, this meet potentiometer and this sensor will use is used to adjust the sensitivity. You can decide how far it should be to detect the fire. So that is where this blue knob comes in. So now the small chips here, the resistors and capacitors, it works as to control the electricity traffic in this all circuit. And these two LED lights here will tell you when the chip is getting power, this LED turns on. When chip is receiving or transmitting data, this LED will be turning on. The lights here will be turning on. So now moving forward to the chips. The pins here. So we have three pins, as we do have in all the sensors far so far. So now we have VCC, ground, and DO. So what does VCC and ground do? VCC is used to receive the power, that is electricity or the current from the Arduino or the battery or anything which you have given the power input. And the ground is used to take out the negative current from the circuit. And D note pin here is used to give the value as high or low for the Arduino. That means high means the sensor has detected the fire or the flame, and low means it is normal. It is not detecting anything. There is no fire or flame. So now how it works? When there is no flame, output will be normal. But when there is a flame is present, that is when the sensor will detect any flame or the fire, the output changes. You can connect this to to the Arduino to turn on buzzer like an alarm, or to send alert to your mobile phone using ESP Wi-Fi module, or activate the relay, that is spray the water. So the fire alarm system, example is the fire alarm system in a room. So now this is also a single channel now here what we are using. So this can detect the fire only in the direction which you have placed the sensor. But when we use multiple channel flame sensor, which looks like this, so this here is a 5-channel flame sensor. So this too works the exactly same which the single channel was working, but single channel will detect the fire only in the direction which you have placed, but this 5 channel relay flame sensor will detect the fire in all these 5 directions. So if there is any flame or fire in this bulb radius, then this will detect and this will trigger the alarm or the trigger output, and if there is any detection in these bulbs directions, that will trigger. But here we are using three multiple brains. Why? Because we have to sense the flame from the different directions. That is why it needs more accurate and precise output and input. So that is why we are using multiple brains, and the same goes to multiple pins. So these pins are nothing but GND and VCC are the common for all, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Why 5? Because to activate all the 5 and to receive and transmit the data to all these 5 the sensors. So that is why we are using multiple pins in 5 channel. It can be 4 channel, it can be 3 channel, and it can be 2 channel, and it can be 1 channel. This alarm can be in as much as channels. In short, it has 5 channel instead of 1. Each sensor detects the flame from different direction. So now, what exactly makes these two different from each other? So the main difference is it detects flame in one direction, and this 5 channel will detect flame in multiple directions. And this single channel is used for simple projects, and 5 channel is used in advanced project for fire detection system. So that is where this will be using the 5 channel one. And in conclusion, you can say that the sensor is actually a fire detector. Okay, so single is basic fire detection, and 5 channel is advanced fire detection, and 5 channel is wide and directional detection. It detects the in wide and all the direction flame, but this is a basic and it detects only in one direction. So now we have learned about the flame sensor in multiple channels and single channel. So this is how electronics can help in safety and fire detection systems. So that's it for today. See you in the next video, Future Robot Builders.